Hey guys, my name is William, and in today's video we're going to go over Google My Business backlinks. Google My Business backlink, Google My Business backlinks. I get this question a lot. It's like, how are you using, if you will, Holly Stark's network to create backlinks? Or how are you using press releases to create backlinks? I wanted to go over and show you exactly how to do this, and that way you know how I'm stacking, if you will, my blog with the YouTube stack, with the press release, and then once again with Holly's news network, exactly how I'm going to do it. I'm going to try my best to do this in about 10 minutes. So first off, we're going to start with a blog. Okay, got a couple of them in here. Let's grab this one. Is stalling saw difficult? Is stalling saw difficult? I already have, if you will, the YouTube and everything done. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and go into, going to go in here into our press releases, and we'll go ahead and get this going. All right. So we're going to start from scratch, and we're going to go to Sod in St. Louis, right? And it pulls the information, has all the name, address, phone number, all the important citation information, has the API to attach it to the embed. And then we're going to go ahead and, okay, what do we want the headline to be? We want it to be, is installing saw difficult, St. Louis? We're going to go, is installing saw difficult, or installing sod in St. Louis. Let's go here. That's our headline, right? Blog headline has to be a little bit different. All right, and then we're going to go in here. I'm going to take all of our beautiful content, if you will, and drop that into our press release. So we have all the links already, right? Everything's already there. I will want to embed, if you will, my YouTube. So bear with me. We're going to open this up in YouTube, and then going to hit the share link, going to embed it, grab the embed code. Then we're going to go back over to Quantum, right? And we're going to actually go into, if you will, the code of the actual press release, okay? Then we hit save, and then if you look at it, if you were to actually pull this down and look at the press release, you see the video there. Another thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Google My Business, or we can do this another way. We go to Sod Installation St. Louis, and we're going to grab, actually, let me go ahead and go to Google My Business. And we're going to hot link some images from that GMB into the press release. Okay. And this is one of the many reasons why I tell everybody to do about 5 press release a day. I'm in a week. So you go here and go copy the image. You want to copy this image, and then you simply go over here, and you can drop images throughout it, but I try to do 1 or 2 of them, like here. Okay, drop the image in there, right? And that is essentially going to be tying, if you will, your GMB to that press release. And that's essentially what we're wanting to do. Now we're done, and it's saying, okay, do we have enough anchor text? You only want about 2 in here, so I don't want to overdo it. And usually I have overdone it. Install sod. Let's see here. You don't want too many backlinks per se in a lot of these, especially on Quantum. Laying sod. And we're going to come in here. They lay down new sod. We need to correct anything we need to correct in here before we push it out. It should be a good amount. And the good thing about Quantum or Signal Genesis is it will tell you, hey, you got too much of this water. Save that. And establish. You don't want too many backlinks or too many textual links, especially with Quantum or Signal Genesis. And they tell you that straight up. They used to be called Quantum, but now they're called Signal Genesis. Lay any grass. We just want to make any grammatic changes that we need to change. Okay, so let's say if I went down here right now and grassroots, let's fix that. Let's fix that. It'll tell me, do you have an embedded image limit is 3. You can max out if you want. And then we're going to do a summary. Okay, summary is this right here. And we can put this into Quantum. You don't want to put too much. And they basically tell you, which is Signal Genesis, they tell you exactly, hey, don't put but so many words in it. We just kind of want to know, you know, what's your article about. We don't want craziness and keyword stuffing and all that craziness. Okay, hit continue. And you're going to choose, you know, main channel here. You know, what are we going to upload? We're going to save this image as on the desktop, right? And we're going to click here. We're going to click here and grab that, right? That's going to be the featured image. We're going to publish on the media room. What category? This is generally going to be like, you know, land and property. Publish date. We're going to publish that tomorrow. And then click agree and hit continue, right? That's what it's going to look like. Nice and pretty with an embed. Publish the PR. It's going to tell you, okay, do I have, you know, what errors do you have? Your subscription allows a maximum of 3 embedded images. So all these images right here have to go because those are embedded. I don't really care for them anyways, right? And then we're good. It should be good. Good thing is it just tells you, hey, you know, you're good to go or not good to go. See, now you look at it, it looks good. And you hit publish PR and you are good to go. All right. So that's how we do a Quantum, if you will, Quantum or Signal Genesis press release. And those are going to send signals and backlinks to your GMB and tie it to your GMB by using hot link embedded back to your GMB post, just like we did. Okay, and we're tying the two together. If you have any questions, I'm going to do a second video going over how do we use Holly's News Network along these same lines, and I'll publish that on another day. If you have any questions, comment below, and I'll give you my exact stack on how I do a press release to get it to rank. You guys have a great day.